Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 5 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So basically this whole operation is very quick and easy in this device. All you have to do is to simply enter the security. So let's tap on it. If you will open it for the very first time, then your device will ask you to give the permissions which it needs. And of course, if you will not, then you won't be able to use this device. To use this app, of course. So just give all the permissions, and as you can see right in the middle we've got the security scan. So let's tap, and as you can see your device will scan itself in order to find any malware, any viruses, risks or problems, and if it will find any, just like in my case, then it will list it right here and you will be able to easily get rid of them. So I've got a system problem, so I have to update the system. I don't want to do it right now, but if your device will find any problems, then I highly recommend to solve them immediately, just to keep the device in good condition. So basically this is it. This is how to virus scan your XIAOMI Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.